In this video, we will explore Osaka's street food capital, Dotonbori.
Hey, what's up guys? We are now in Dotonbori. Let's eat some street food. Let's go!
Osaka is known for its great food like takoyaki, okonomiyaki, negiyaki, sushi, and many more. It's a city with passionate food lovers and abundance of things to eat. Our first stop is Daiken Sankaiten Sushi. Here, they have many varieties of food like fresh sushi for 100 yen. This is a very popular sushi go-round. So, order that one with this one. Wow, yummy. Chuturu. Gato gozaimasu. Wow, indutan ni butungan na ni. Amazing. Wow. Woohoo. So yummy. Yummy? Yes? Sushi. Let's go.
Let's eat crab.
Wow, eat ka crab? Para allergic ka?
Munda na kinabuhi. Tungod, may kinabuhi.
Wow. Oh, that kind of food. Chicken ay mga favorite. Nigiyaki, okonomiyaki. Best sushi. Let's go. Oh, sushi po do. Daghan kay sila. Good na. Woo!
12,000? 20,000?
12,000. That one? 12,000?
Really?
6,500 kani.
14 siya, 14.
14? Mga kani din oh. Na. Kani sa jay mga buligya. Let's try kani guys in Osaka. Woo, yummy.
Are you happy?
Happy.
So how's the taste?
Sweet siya.
Sweet?
Sweet, yes.
So you have to rate from 1 to 10?
10.
10! Oh my gosh. Okay, bye-bye.
After we enjoyed eating some delicious food, let's explore the vibrant area of Dotonbori. The giant Glico sign is one of the most popular attractions of Dotonbori, Osaka. Most people take photos with this billboard. It's one of the first thing to do in Dotonbori for everyone.
Dotonbori Bridge. This is very famous, guys. You see? A lot of people block.
You see? Ayun, siguro pala yun mo na siya.
Okay, guys, let's try takoyaki. It's number 1 in Osaka. Ikimashou.
It's number 1 in Osaka.
Nagamay na kilin niyo. Nanadali oh. Halo sinuol na kay ka na.
Let's go. So, tudlo sa tart.
Oh, linya mo kadiri.
Cute pa kayang butangan na, no? Wow. Wow.
Hi guys, let's eat takoyaki. This is the number 1 in Osaka. It's authentic. Let's enjoy. Come eat with me.
Ooh, yummy.
Yummy.
So, they have 2 flavors.
Yeah.
Cheese.
This is the cheese, and the other one. What's the flavor? It's the museum
Flavor.
Wow. Let's eat. Wow. This is the octopus. This is the authentic flavor in Osaka.
So never miss the chance to experience the authentic taste of Osaka street food capital, Dotonbori.